Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing very well. Today we will do 10 important MCQs of triangles, okay, which carries 1 marks. So these are 1 markers, that is MCQs. Options will be given to you. So you have to know how do you solve that to get the correct option, okay? So let's get started. So we'll see the first question now. So first question says, which of the following is not a criterion for congruence of triangles? Okay. So here they have given you SAS, ASA, SSA and SSS. So here, which is not a criterion? So we have studied 5 congruency criterions. In that we studied SAS, we studied ASA also, we studied SSS also. So SSA is the one which is not a congruence criterion, okay? So the option C here is the answer to this. It is not a criterion for congruence of triangles. All right. So we'll see the second question now. For that I'll make the triangle CBA and here PRQ. Okay, so here they have given you AB is equal to QR. If you see here, they have given AB is equal to QR and BC is equal to PR, okay, and CA is equal to PQ. Then how can we say which of the congruency is correct here? Okay, so they have given a different congruency: ABC congruent to PQR, CBA congruent to PRQ, BAC congruent to RPQ and PQR congruent to BCA. So here which one we have to apply? So you have to see the corresponding sides, okay? So here they have given you, now if you see ABC congruence to QRP, but is that option given to here? ABC congruent to QRP is not given. So we have to look for which option is given here. So if you see here, option B, okay, this option B, see here, CBA, triangle CBA congruent to triangle PRQ. Okay, so this is actually congruence is by SSS. This congruency is proved by SSS because 3 sides of triangle ABC is equal to the 3 corresponding sides in the triangle PQR. Okay, so here if you see, out of these 4, CBA congruent to triangle PRQ only fits into this congruency rule. Otherwise, if you say BAC should be congruent to RQP. Okay, the corresponding parts we have to see it should match. Okay, but here in none of the options it's matching, so we will go with B option. Okay, so this is the B option. Coming to question number 3. In triangle ABC and DEF, okay, draw triangle ABC and triangle DEF. So here what is they have given you? AB is equal to DE. They have given angle A is equal to angle D. Okay, so they are asking you what will be the condition in which 2 triangles will be congruent, by which congruency rule? SAS. Now we have here S, okay, we have one S, we have AB is equal to DE, that is NS, okay, then angle A is equal to angle D, that is A. Now we need one more side, okay, one more corresponding side we need here to prove the congruency to be equal by SAS, right, congruent by SAS. So here side angle side, so we can use AC is equal to DF. So this gives us the congruency by SAS. Okay, so which option? AC is equal to DF. So this is the option, correct option here. Okay, so this is by SAS rule. Coming to the 4th question here. So 4th question here, in the figure if you see, AB is equal to DC is given, and angle, this angle ABD is equal to CDB they have given. So they are asking you which congruence will you apply to prove them to be congruent. Okay, so we will see which congruency we apply here. So here we will take triangle ABD and triangle CDB. Okay, so here first we will write what is given to us. Okay, so here in triangle ABD it's given AB equal to CD of triangle CDB. Okay, and angle ABD given equal to angle CDB. Okay, so the third, this is side, this is angle, and one more side. If you can see here, this DB is the side which is common to both the triangles. It is belonging to the triangle ADB also and belonging to the triangle CDB also. Okay, so we can write here DB is equal to DB, that is third side. So here which rule we see? SAS, right? We see which rule here? SAS. So they are congruent by SAS rule. Okay, so this is option A, SAS. Coming to the fifth question. So fifth question, triangle ANC congruent to triangle LKM. So if I draw a triangle, see always when you're getting MCQ, you have make a rough column in your answer sheet. On the right side of the answer sheet, make a column for your rough work. Okay, even for MCQs also you need to do the solving and then you have to go for the selection of the correct option. All right, so even here also you always make a triangle. You make the triangle, write which part is given equal, what are they asking. So unless you make the diagram, especially in geometry, you will not understand. Okay, so always try to make the diagram first. So here triangle ANC, we have given one more triangle LKM. So they have given us congruency. Okay, they have told that triangle ANC is congruent to triangle LKM. Then side of LKM. Now they are asking you in the triangle LKM, which side is equal to AC of triangle ABC. Okay, now since the triangles are congruent, that means the side of LKM which we choose should be corresponding to the side AC of triangle ABC. Okay, so if I see here, so here AC, if I see this side, so its corresponding side is LM only, right? So AC's corresponding side is LM. So I can say that LM is the side which is equal to the side AC of triangle ABC. Okay, this is after we did the congruency. Okay, we can say that this is once they have given here, actually they have given it, the triangles are congruent. So we have to just pick which is the corresponding side of AC. So corresponding side of AC, once you draw the diagram, you will understand corresponding side of AC is LM. All right.